tractor.
We're gonna try and make a straightforward, start to finish chicken tractor.
Here we go.
Hey, Bob, say that.
Oh, you're so funny.
Today we're building tractor number 2 for our meat chickens.
We tried to design and build this thing using off-the-shelf materials, minimal amounts of cutting and figuring it out.
Okay, so for the sides we need 4 8-footers and 8 21 inches. This is the back, these two are the sides, that's going to be the front. Nice speed. Oh. How'd they get out? That's like one of the new little pullets. Where are you? Pardon for the chicken interruption. We return to your regular service. All right, next step is we're gonna make the hoop, the triangular hoop out of conduit. So we're gonna use a pipe bender and 1/2 inch conduit, galvanized conduit. In a not so scientific way, we figured out ours in the middle is a 45, then on the 2 sides is a 30. Our tractor is a little skinnier than most people's tractors, and for that reason, we have to basically do kind of like a more pronounced bend on the ends. We're trying to make ours kind of like as tall as possible, all out of one piece, and still kind of like get that triangular shape. Okay, then I'm going to step on this part that has the tread, full 45. I'm doing a little less. I'm doing a 30.
Good.
That's pretty good. So we've got 4 more to make. Just got to get it close. Close for chicken's sake.
It's 4.
That's
Right.
4. Blocks here for basically the conduit to sit on to have a little support. We're also going to use strapping to attach it here and here, but this just allows it not to like slip down over time. Slippy. Okay, upright. Three more to go.
Only a meat chicken.
You're a meat chicken?
Yeah. Let me guys found.
Chicken.
Can I look?
Welcome to our tractor.
Here you go.
Okay.
Chicken tractor number 2. We're going to start it up here. That way we can have an extension cord come over. It's still a little chilly. Keep a heat lamp in there for a little bit longer, especially to transition these guys from being inside and the brooder being outside now on the grass.
Okay, welcome to your new home. And you get a heat lamp because it's still pretty cold here in California at night. Feeds in there. Okay, we did it. One day, start to finish. We still got to put the tarp on, but that's pretty easy. We just use a bungee cord. They're in here. They're really happy, and they showed us by pooping everywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon.
But the only place we're traveling is through our souls inside. Over a river, a romancing, an ocean of passion. Climb up a mountain of desire. See if we